welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so here are some hot dog buns. I think I'm gonna chop up this onion, and it looks like we're going to be making this smoked sausage Asian style with pork and pineapple. This is by Market Side, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. I'll be right back. Let me cut up this onion, put this in the air fryer, and we'll be right back. So let's take these out, and I'm gonna line them up right here in the air fryer, and we may as well cook all of them. Can't wait to try these. Nice flavor. All right, let me go wash my hands and throw this out. All right, guys, so the sausage is done over there. Let me take, we got a couple of things going on here. Matthew passed me a little bit of the cabbage. All right, so I'm gonna make mine my way, and Matthew's gonna do his way, but we're only gonna record mine. You want me to record his?
I'm making a salad.
Oh, he's making a salad, okay. Well, I'm not making a salad, so I'm gonna get a roll. Okay, here, and oh my goodness, this looks delicious. So I don't know what I'm gonna place on it yet, but we had some cabbage left, so I think I'm gonna. I don't know if you guys have put raw cabbage on your stuff, but I like to crunch. So we have the cabbage and a little bit of onion from here. All right. I've never tried this. As I said, I threw the wrapper out. Okay, so then of course we're gonna have some chips, because I just love my chips and my pickles. I'm done with these onions. If you want them, I'll put them over here. Okay, and then I love these pickles. These are the pickles I like, the bread and butter zesty chips. Get this open. Open this. I can't get it open. Okay. All right. So put some pickles. Now I think I'm gonna I gotta get some ketchup and mustard. You want ketchup and mustard for yours? We'll just try some ketchup first, because just a little bit of ketchup first. And doesn't that look delicious? Alright, so this is what it's looking like, guys. That's mine. Matthew's gonna do something else with his, but there it is. I'm gonna try this after we're done. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen.